Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. This is Seagate's Backup Plus Hub. In today's video, we are going to check out quick unboxing of awesome backup storage from Seagate, and I'll give you the full review on this product. This is Seagate's new Backup Plus Hub. It is the first of its kind. The hotspot interesting in it is the storage with integrated 3.0 USB hub in it. Two USB ports at its front allows us to access a lot of things. Backup Plus Hub from Seagate comes with this sort of minimalistic packaging. I have recently brought this during the Amazon Prime sale at a price of 6,200. It was a huge discount. I got here the base variant of 4TB model, but it also available in other variants. Okay, let's see what's given on the box. With Seagate logo at the top, it's written here the desktop storage with integrated hub, and here at the bottom it's a free Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan for about 2 months, which cost around rupees 1500. And finally we have the picture of the product. Okay, let me rotate the box. It comes with 3-year warranty on this product. The drive is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Here we have some information related to the product specification. And at back we got some pictures related to the usage of USB hub. Works fine with Windows and Mac operating system, written in different languages. Okay, let me quickly unbox it and show what we got inside. Some paper stuff. This is the drive. Let's keep aside for a moment and check what's inside. I think we got an accessory box inside. User manuals and Adobe activation guide. Let's keep everything aside. Seagate provides multiple charging converters suitable for different locations across the globe. We have a 12V 3A power adapter, and we have a 1 meter 3.0 USB data cable. Finally, let me show you the drive. It comes nicely packed with this cover. So here it is, the awesome drive from Seagate. It's little big in size compared to the regular hard drives. The first impression on the design is very decent. It comes with two-tone design, half with the glassy and the remaining is the matte finish. And we have some vents for airflow here. You can place the drive either vertically or a flat back on a surface. On the front we have two integrated 3.0 USB ports so that we can connect two more devices like pen drives or large hard drives such as 2 TB portable drives. Not only that, even a phone or a tablet can be connected to charge it or use it as a media transfer. To the drive at the back we have a DC power adapter pin along with the USB data interface. To the bottom it has got lot of vents to let the heat escape. It seems like the whole device is nicely protected with a thin layer from a minute scratch stains to the glassy surface. Now let's talk about its features and performance. This is my old 2TB drive which I purchased nearly 4 to 5 years back. Old drive is made up of metal casing while the new one is of plastic. It has got lot of vents at the bottom to let the heat escape. This is of lightweight and has got less heat escaping vents compared to the previous one. Out of the box I got 3.63 TB of storage. By default it has got some documents of product registration and softwares related to Mac and Windows. I have connected a portable 2 TB to the integrated ports at the front and could access the data hassle-free from either sides. It has a maximum read speed of 180 MB per second and a write speed of 138 MB per second. Those are pretty cool benchmarks for external hard drive. You guys may have a doubt on seeing the black colored USB ports, they might be USB 2.0. I don't know why the Seagate has used these black ports instead of blue, but trust me, these both are USB 3.0 ports. Both of them are USB 3.0 ports and I tried them. It really went very fast. In my testing I could enjoy the speeds of 180 MB per second. One could only achieve its maximum performance provided it is connected to USB 3.0 port of your PC. And in case if large capacity drives like 2 TB or more, Your PC must have a sufficient RAM to manage the huge data transfer capabilities. So this was my honest review on Seagate's Backup Plus Hub. This is great backup product for your PCs. It has a very good build quality with great data transfer speeds. And most lovable interesting feature in it is the integrated 3.0 USB hub. Do register for free Adobe complimentary subscription and enjoy the benefits. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.